Hey there YouTube, today I'll be teaching you how to fish. But there's two ways you can go fishing, like catching a normal fish, but sooner or later I'll teach you how to catch a bass or a catfish. So you have a worm, the bubble head, and the fishing net. So, yeah. I don't think you can tell because it's a lovely day right now, it's so hot. But let's go fishing. Now, as you can see, if you can tell, the fishes are wondering, maybe I should eat this. Because the worm does take for ages. But yeah, I'm only recording with one hand. The other one is fishing, so I'll try my best. Or they thinking it might be food, but they really want something else, but I'll tell you if they get it. I know there's fishes here somewhere, but they're all the way in the back. I don't think they like the worm. They should eat it. I know they see it, but you can see the hook. Maybe that's why. But how about this? There it is. Let me see if there's something on. Nope. Wait. I see some fish, but I don't think you can tell, but yeah. Wait. I think, oh, we lost it. I know they want it. If this doesn't work, then I'll teach you the other way how to fish. But I feel like they ate it already. They ate the worm. Let me check. Yep, they ate the worm. That's one of the ways you can fish, but I like to use bread. I would recommend a bagel. I'm using that for getting it out because last time a fish stung me, so I would say a small piece, like maybe like this, and put it in the hook. I'm gonna try not to poke myself. Hold on, maybe if maybe something like that, I don't know. Like that. Okay. Bagels are hard, but you can use a type of any bagel, but yeah. Let's go fishing and you'll see why I use bread instead of a worm, because they do take forever. See them? They're coming. They're thinking, like, what is this? Look at that. Okay, maybe if I could put it closer. There's one fish coming. Come on. He took a bite, but I don't feel something heavy. It's coming out. Oh, they ate it all. Dang. Let me try one more time with the bread. I'm gonna put this down real quick so I can make it tighter. Okay, here we go. Test one, see if it works. Here's fishies. It's like the, I know you want it. Come in, fish. Got a fish, got a fish. That's a nice one. Look at that. Look at that, it's bouncing. That's how you trick a fish. Now, you want to be careful because they do have spikes. Some fish do, and some don't. So, you want to be careful. I kind of want to not squish it, but just to hold it and grab the hook. Because I know it wants to jump. Oh wait, ow. It's turning me. Oh crap, like that. That scared the crap out of me. Oh great. And there you go. Now, I want to be careful because they do have spikes. And they're very slippery. And put it back in the water. There it goes. Living their life. And yeah, that's how you catch a fish. Please have a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.